How's it going, everybody? This is a video for our database interfaces. In the rubric, it provides that we need a database administrator interface, a vehicle locator interface, an online customer interface, and a marketing department, kind of like data mining sales report interface. Okay, so to start, we have MySQL Workbench as our administrator interface. And right here, I have one of our assigned queries, which was the top 2 brand sales within the past year. And so you can see right here, it's queried up in this, and we have the results appearing here. And now moving on to our GUIs that we have for the other clients, I'm actually using a Python Flask setup that it should be as simple as just typing in CMD into this and going to the command prompt. And as long as you have everything downloaded, you can type in python dbgui.py and it'll start running. So you can see I've already been using it here. I set it up for this. The first thing we have is just selecting our client type on the same screen. So you can go dealer, customer, or sales. So the only one I don't have open is dealer. And essentially, these work pretty similar to each other, but especially with the vehicle locator and the car search for customers, it's pretty straightforward. It's just a search where you can type in, firstly, all, and it will let all the options within the database show up. And so you see you have, the basic descriptors. You have their statuses of whether they're sold or still in inventory. And then you have the addresses, cities, states. So the other thing you can do, and it says it up here, once you've seen like a car you like or are interested in, or you want to search a specific brand, you can look up like X6, and then only the X6 comes up. Or if you want to look up a brand, you can look up Audi, and only Audis will come up. So this is actually the exact same for this with just some slight differences, so I'll just show y'all. Essentially, the only difference here is that rather than showing whether it's in stock or out of stock, it is only going to represent the in-stock cars, and it's going to show their prices instead. So this list is much shorter than the other one is, but that's because it's only the cars that haven't been sold yet. And you pretty much have all the same information in terms of where the car is at. It just tells you how much it costs as well. Finally, we have the OLAP results. As you can see, it's just a page with a lot of stats on it. None of them have been propagated yet. So as the user, you would click generate, and you would get a bunch of results. I have the yearly profits listed. I have various stats spanning the last 6 years that we have within the database. So you get like average yearly, the total, dealer contribution, and I believe that is in descending order. And you'll get like the overall best-selling pieces. So like I have brand, color, and part. The nice part is a lot of it can be swapped out, and it's pretty easily exchangeable with different queries from within the Python setup. Anyways, that's all of our interfaces. I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you for listening to our presentation.